Hi there, students. Dishevelled, an adjective, from the verb to dishevel. Okay, so dishevelled means untidy. It's talking about somebody's appearance. So my hair is nearly always a bit dishevelled. It's probably a bit dishevelled at the moment. His clothes were dishevelled after climbing through the hedge. Okay, so dishevelled, messy, in disarray. His hair is dishevelled, his clothes are dishevelled. He always looks dishevelled. He comes to work looking as if he slept in the clothes that he came to work in. He always looks so dishevelled. She arrived looking flushed and dishevelled. I had been gardening and I looked rather dishevelled. Climbing through the hedge dishevelled me. Okay, now one good question, is this double L or single L? Well, the verb to dishevel, single L. But as an adjective, dishevelled, or a past tense, or dishevelling, you can use both one L and two. This is one of the reasons I always have so many problems with English spelling, yeah? So dishevelled, one L or two, both are possible. Yeah, if you look messy, unkempt, untidy, then you are dishevelled. Now, I know I've said that mostly this talks about people's appearance and dishevelled appearance, but you can use it about other things. His room looked extremely dishevelled. Yeah, the dishevelled building had litter everywhere within it. There was a dishevelled pile of books on the floor. Yeah, so dishevelled, you can use it for things as well, when something is untidy, is not looked after. But it's most commonly used to talk about somebody's appearance, particularly dishevelled clothes, dishevelled hair, a dishevelled appearance. But you can use it as untidy generally. Okay, so yeah, after a 6-hour meeting, the minister came out looking rather dishevelled. He had become dishevelled by the fight. Yeah, he got into a fight and he became rather dishevelled afterwards. His clothes, they were pulled out of place. Yeah, so chaotic, cluttered, disarranged, disordered, higgledy-piggledy, jumbled, messy, yeah, rumpled. When your clothes are rumpled, that's a good word. Unkempt, untidy, yeah, and the opposite of that is very neat and tidy. So, yes, as an adjective, it's quite common, but as a verb to dishevel, it's possible, but is less common. And a regular verb if you have to use the verb. So what about the formality? I would probably give this 6.5 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, but you just might say untidy, rumpled, messy, yeah, unkempt, something like that. And then as to origin, the origin's quite good. It comes from French, from Old French. Dishevelled, dis, and chevel is the Old French word for cheveux, hair. So unhair. Yeah, your hair is uncombed. It looks scraggly, tousled and unkempt. And that's the idea of it. So I have to apologise you for always being so dishevelled in my videos. It's one of my weaknesses. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dishevelled.